Okay guys, for today's video, mag-harvest tayo ng string beans, sitaw. Ayan, tingnan natin kung marami makukuha si Philtay at Akio. Andito kami ngayon sa garden. Yan.
Sana Auntie Mori house.
Yeah, dito ako naglalagi guys. Kapag pagkahatid kay Akio. Wow! Oh, ito natumba kasi malakas yung hangin. Natumba na yung niyog. Ayan oh. Maliit lang yan siya na niyog. Marami na ring bunga. Ayan. Marami na bang ma-harvest? Guys, nakailang harvest na rin kami dito. Inantay talaga si Philtay na inantay namin si Philtay na ang hahaba oh.
Sumahaba.
Wow! Inantay namin si Philtay na dumating para ma-try din yung mag-harvest ng tanim namin. Oh, bungga. Wow! Pakita mo daw, Daddy. Ganyan, guys, kahaba. Dapat mas mura pa dyan para pang sana. Yung fresh nilang kinakain kasi dito dahil matamis yung sitaw.
Okay na, guys. Yeah. Okay na, guys. Yeah.
What? Wow! Isinasaw-saw nilang nila sa nampik. Sa sausawan nila dito. And then, huhugasan nila yon, tas kakainin na ng fresh.
Oh my God, that's
Ay, nako, nag-ano na
Mommy, come
siya.
here. Oh my God, that's
Oh, pwede pa yan. Pwede pa yan tanggisa.
twins. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's twins.
Here. Here.
Ibaba mo lang, Daddy, para hawakan mo yung Ibaba mo lang muna yan kapag madami na. Dito, Daddy. Malaglag dyan.
Daddy.
Dito naman, guys, ay yung petchay ko na laging kinakain ng mga insects. Yan. Petchay yan. Pero ngayon, tumubo naman na yung mga
I think that twins.
second na itinanim ko. Hopefully na magtuloy-tuloy na siya.
Otawea.
Yeah. Okay, did you harvest a lot?
Yes.
Okay, you help Daddy. Go there. Wow. Yeah, marami talaga dyan.
I hope it doesn't rain, guys.
It will not. You're
My
so much
name is Marcus Akio.
Okay. Wow, diba? Nag-enjoy ang Daddy na mag-harvest. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya eh.
I am enjoying this.
Yes, you're helping Daddy, right?
Yes, and it's so fun.
And it's so fun. Marami pa yan nakatago. Daddy, yung mga matanda na, wag mo nang kuhanin.
No, hindi. That one you... Okay. Very good.
I-video ko rin tong phone ko para i-send natin sa teacher ni Keo. Wow, you're helping Daddy.
You check also.
What? By what?
Mahal to sa market eh.
Yes.
May 100 yung...
Daddy.
Ilang lang, bugkos lang, 10 piraso, magkano na yung binibili natin? No, Daddy?
Come on, you cut it. You hold first and then you cut. Very good.
Wow.
The twins. Kakalay ka niya. Kakalay na...
String bean.
Yes.
This one, oh. But I think it's...
Go there. How about there up, Daddy? Oh. Wow. Where is Marcus? Hi. Say hi to your teacher.
Hi.
Hi. Akio and Daddy are harvesting, what they call this?
String
Tuwa.
beans.
String beans.
Okay, Tita Boy, we are harvesting string beans.
Okay, you go help Daddy.
Daddy, get out. Get out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
You harvest many?
Yes.
Hmm. Are you happy?
May makap. Yan may makap.
อ้นอ่ะ
Yan may makap.
อ๋อบอกอ้นให้ดูหมาหน่อยได้ไหม
Daddy.
ครับ
หมามันเข้ามา มันคุยหมดเลยเนี่ยแปลงกัดออร์แกนิกเรา
Daddy.
พังหมด
Yeah.
นี่คือยังเดี๋ยวลงมา
Here, Daddy. Okay pa tong mga to.
ไม่รู้จะกั้นยังไงแล้วพอกั้นมันก็แหกลวดเข้ามา
Uy.
Wow. Ayan. Okay yung mga yan.
Can you raise it?
Yes.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh, cut it. Cut it.
Wow.
Very good.
This one also.
It's too high. Can you raise it?
No.
I will cut it by my hand. Oh, it's too high.
Yeah, but there are many, right? There are many fruits. They're up.
Yes.
Mm.
The bee.
Oh my God.
It's okay. Don't be scared.
They're looking for a nectar.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hindi ko abot guys. Nasa taas.
Yes, ang daming
Here we
bunga, oh.
You go put me there with the container.
Okay.
Hindi ko abot talaga guys.
Let me see. Let me see. Did you harvest a lot? Wow. Marcus and Daddy got a lot, right? Okay. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down, sweetheart. Not in there. Not in there. Ah. Okay. Go, go. Nasa part pa lang na bungad ito. So,
Okay,
si
this
Phil-
is part 2 of my
Okay.
video.
Okay. Sa bungad pa lang sila. Ayan.
Ibenta natin?
Hindi, harvest.
Pwede naman pambenta.
Yes. Kailangan mong sumampa
Daddy,
para makuha yun.
Yeah, also.
Yeah, you cut it na. You hold it and then cut.
Ah, ayan. From start to end na to ng harvesting, guys, ha? Yeah, it's so big, right? It's long. I mean, it's long. Marami pa yan nakatago.
Hindi ka nag-spray nito.
Hindi.
Mommy, can you PLS get
Yes,
out?
organic yan, guys.
Can you PLS get out?
Wait now. Ala, pinutol na niya ba?
There, oh, I can. This one. You can
Okay, you're helping Daddy, right?
cut. Cut it.
Wow. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah, no.
Hindi pa sila natatapos, guys. Nag-overheat na ang phone kaya ini-stop namin yung video. Yan, gusto sana namin yung hanggang matapos ba. Nag-start yung harvesting until matapos. Sa likod, Daddy, dami oh. Yan, guys, oh, ang haba. Yan.
Wow.
Yan. Yan, guys, oh.
Come on, you cut it. You see one, you cut.
This one is still young.
No, it's cut. That's okay.
That's okay now. That's okay now, sweetheart.
You can.
Daddy, wag. Ayan.
Okay,
So,
put it
so the fruit will grow again. Not the flower, okay? Don't cut the flower.
Why?
Of course. So the fruit will grow again. The baby fruit. Dilaw. Anong dilaw? Wow. Dami. Pwede na pang benta. Sa likod meron pa asawa ko.
I'm already sweating.
That's okay. If you're sweating, that means, what do you call that?
Your body is feeling.
Yeah.
Mommy, come here. Come here. Here.
Wait, mommy's taking a video.
Come.
Okay.
Wait, this one. You must keep You saw it.
Marami yan nagtatago. Doon sa doon guys, hindi pa yan siya na-harvest lahat. May mga nakatago pa.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Have you harvested a lot now?
Yes.
Where are you? Wow. So guys, organic itong mga na to ha. Hindi pa kami nag-i-spray ng ang sitaw na ito. Ito guys, so ang dami. Isang puno lang yan. Daming bunga. Okay. Oh, so ito na ang end guys. Yan.
Mommy,
Yes.
this is still a baby. This one, so I
Oh.
did not touch its flower.
Yeah, lumilim tayo para hindi mainitan yung ating phone. Yan.
okay, no more.
May mga okra ako dito na bagong tanim. Tapos, yung mga squash, kinain kasi ng mga ladybugs. Yung tumubo naman lahat ng itinanim kong squash. Kaso, kinain sila ng insekto.
This one,
Ang lalago pa naman nila. Kaya yun yung next time na gagawin ko ulit.
Mommy,
Magtatanim ulit ako.
Mommy.
What?
When does
You ask daddy first. Magtatanim ulit ako and then...
Mommy. Daddy. When the
Ayan.
things is already go up, will
Nawala na. Nawala na yung sinasabi ko kasi mas maraming tanong yung anak namin.
they have...
Naman.
Look, guys.
What?
We have
Again?
ayat. We have ayat of string beans. Now we have collected ayat.
Okay. Akiyo and daddy harvested a lot of string beans.
My dad's name is Tamamuyang.
Oh, ibibenta ba natin yung mga yan?
You're gonna sell it?
And,
Hmm.
No.
and my
That's a lot.
name is 78. Okay,
Wow. So, ayun na guys. Hindi kinaya ng power ng phone namin.
Daddy.
So, ayun. Daddy, dito muna saglit.
I'm gonna sell it so we can...
Nag-overheat kaya hindi namin na-document, hindi namin na-video since start hanggang sana mag-end. Pero, yan, marami pang hindi nakuha. Yan pa lang yung harvest na sila Jom lang ang kumuha. Mamaya, kukunin ko din yung mga iniwan pa nila. Daddy!
Bye.
So, that's the end. Uwi na kami guys. Bye!
Send to my teachers, okay, Mom?
Okay.